Jersey is putting drivers' lives at risk. You get the impression from the DOT a bridge or roadway is going to collapse any minute. They just don't know when. But the people who can actually make a difference in Trenton, the legislators, politicians, crickets.
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 I'm going to meet with Assemblyman John Wisniewski to find out, will they raise the gas tax?
Can you fill it up regular, please?
What he told me actually does make me think that, yes, there actually is a conspiracy, people.
The Senate President and the Assembly Speaker have been talking about discussions that are ongoing with the governor. Commissioner Fox talked about that. And so there's a level of behind-the-scenes negotiation that are going on at the same time.
Very Jersey to have these, top guys in a back room without a conversation with the rest of us.
Assemblyman John Wisniewski said that no politician wants to go on the record saying that they want to raise the gas tax except for him. His bill would raise the gas tax by 25 cents a gallon. It would cost drivers
Courage wouldn't be the first word I would have applied to that bill.
Right. It would cost drivers $300 a year, and it would raise $1.25 billion for the Transportation Trust Fund. Now, you guys all want to laugh it off. You're interrupting me as I'm trying to present my script. Well, the thing is, the Transportation Trust Fund currently, they're only taking $900 million a year.
Everybody seems to be more comfortable in talking about the small fix, but the type of money that's needed, the $1.25 billion a year that's required to fund our transportation system, can't be made up with all of those small amounts.
Republican John Bramnick suggested that we take funds from education and throw that into the Transportation Trust Fund.
Robbing Peter to pay Paul is never a good way to solve a problem.
There are some school districts that are failing. So, for example, Newark, you might wonder, why are we spending so much money in a public system that's not working?
While we have some poorly performing districts, we also have districts that are doing very well.
It would be hard to believe that there's no waste in education in the state. The problem is they're not going to be able to clearly mark where that waste is and then reapply it quickly enough.
New Jersey's gas tax right now is 14.5 cents a gallon. If he raised it 25 cents, it would pull us almost even with Pennsylvania.
So you'd be okay paying $300, $400, $500 more a year?
I never said that.
It bothers me that nobody is saying, before we raise anything, let's go through these budgets with a fine-tooth comb and find that waste before you start doing it. Then maybe we would believe it.
Somebody's got to give something up, no matter what that is, whether it's a state pension or it's a higher salary, whatever it is, something has to give.